Hey guys, good morning. What's up? I woke up late today because I slept late yesterday. But yeah, it's a new day and I'm going to my office now. I have to buy my lunch and it's Sunday here, so all the restaurants are closed. So I'm probably going to buy something from a street food restaurant here. It's open all the time, all the weekends. It's open 7 days a week, and they have a dish called chicken fillet rice. It's a dish with chicken with vegetables and sometimes egg and rice. It's delicious, so I'll try it. I mean, I'll not try it. I mean, I'll buy it. I've already tried it. Today I'm going to upload another. I'm going to upload this video when I reach my office, and then I'm going to upload another video about me trying. How should I say in English? I'm not able to get the words. I'm going to upload a video about me going to an Indian restaurant and trying out some Indian dishes. Yeah, so I tried chicken biryani and paneer butter chicken. Sorry, butter butter chicken. Yeah, butter chicken and chicken biryani and naan. So I'm going to upload that video. It's a bit cloudy today. It's very windy here. It's always windy here in Zhongli, where I live in Taiwan. Actually, this is a bit mountainous region, so it's always windy here. But it's always quiet. I like it. And I'm going to work on my homework today. I hope I'll finish it today by tonight. And tomorrow I can focus on my research because I don't want to spend too much time on this. Oh, it's raining. I felt some droplets on my face. This is actually a cool building. I don't know what it is for. So big. Yeah, so today I hope I'll finish my homework, and from tomorrow I'll focus on my research, and hopefully I'll get some good results by the end of this week and next week. And yeah, that's what I wanted to say in this video. And I'll show you when I buy the chicken fillet rice. I think I already made a YouTube short about this. I don't know if I uploaded it. Anyways, so today I'm gonna show you. I hope it's open. It's usually open, but let's see. We never know. Alright guys, I'm in the street food lane here. So this is the restaurant. It's open. Let's order chicken fillet rice. Chicken fillet rice. Spicy. It's a good restaurant. They have good dishes here. Also fried rice and other things. So yeah, I really like it here. It's going to take around 5 minutes to prepare it, and then I'll have my lunch. This is a cool dumpling shop. Sometimes I try it. And this is a convenience store. It's called OK Mart. It's okay. I don't know what to say. Sometimes I buy banana from this store. It's cool. So yeah, let's wait for the chicken fillet, then we'll talk. So they have allowed me to film cooking chicken fillet. Smells so good. Looks so nice, right? I think it's fried rice. Cool. Alright, so there was a misunderstanding. I wanted chicken fillet rice, but I think they heard chicken fried rice. Anyways, it's all good. Actually, I had chicken fried rice yesterday for dinner, so I liked it. So yeah, I'll eat it for lunch again. Doesn't matter. Um, so yeah, it's very windy, very cool. I hear people speak Chinese. I feel it feels so. It sounds so funny. So, I have a course Chinese where I'm learning Chinese, and it's so difficult. So when I hear them speak Chinese, it feels so amazing. I mean, I'm not saying it's funny, but they just feel so like remarkable that they can speak so nicely. I cannot even speak a single sentence. But yeah, as you can see, the campus here is very good. It looks relaxing. Sometimes I come out to walk just to relax myself. They have good. They have some very nice fields here. They have multiple playing areas. They have uh, tracks for running, sprints. They have high jump, long jump. They have a swimming pool here. I've never been to swimming pool. They have a swimming pool here too. I'll go there at some point. They have a sauna, other things. Yeah, so this is the first field. I don't know if you should call it field, ground. My English is getting sloppy. What should I call this, field or ground? Let me know in the comments. Okay, whatever this, you know what it is, right? It's just open space to hang out and relax. There's a giant tree in the middle. I see kids playing. And yeah, things are very calm now. this weekend time. But generally in the weekdays it's a bit more crowded. And but, the best thing about Taiwan is that people don't make noise like in India. You can always get a sense of calmness. Here the trees looks amazing here. Yeah, so you can always get a sense of calmness, and you can always, even if there are people, you can still relax and just do what you want to do, and won't be disturbed. So yeah, got my chicken fried rice. I wanted chicken fillet rice, but I got chicken fried rice. Next time, I'll use the menu, because then they can understand what I want. Sometimes chicken fillet, chicken fried sounds similar, right? So maybe they didn't pay it properly. Anyways, doesn't matter. So this is the second field, and this is the third field. There they play baseball. You can see they're already playing baseball. Can I zoom it? Oh my! I can't zoom it in this mode. There's so many beautiful trees here. I don't know what is this for. The big structure. I feel like going there and taking a photo. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow or today. I don't know. Then I'll get time. Right in front there's a Waffle House. I think I already posted a short about that place. That Waffle House is always crowded, no matter if it's weekends or weekdays, because the waffle there is very popular. It's a popular chain actually. Shine Mood Waffle. There are many shops. They have many branches in Taiwan. So yeah, it's called Shine Mood Waffle. I don't know. I don't think you can read it, but yeah, it's very delicious. And as a student, I can get 10% discount if I show my ID card. So it's much better. Yeah. So this is. I'm almost. I've almost. Okay, wait. Let me. Again, the English is sloppy. I have almost arrived at my office here. To my office, sorry, at my office. To my office. Oh my god, what's happening to me? Alright, so this is a beautiful garden. I like to walk in this garden because I like the wind which comes from the trees. Yeah, I don't know what kind of trees they are, but it looks so nice. Yeah, so I've crossed the garden. Now I am almost there. Look at the bicycles. I don't think anybody used them in like 100 years. Some of them looks new, but most of them looks old. Yeah. So this is my department. It's a 10th floor building. My office is in 9th floor. My advisor sits in 10th floor, so if I have any problem, I always take the stairs and meet him. So as 9th floor, I have to take an elevator. This is the entrance. Actually, it looks new because they actually made this a few months back. I think 1 month back. Yeah, that. Thank you. People are very kind here. They always offer to. If you need any help, they always are available to help. So you can see I'm in black. I like this jacket. It's from Zara, and I like the pant too. I bought both of them when I was in Israel. So yeah. And my fried rice, I think I'll make a content about my phone. It's really cool. I can flip it and I can take a video, a photo. Okay, we are in 9th floor. My office is at the end. Let's go. This is the classroom where I take my classes. You can see so many posters here. Hopefully this is the classroom. Hopefully when I publish a paper here, I'll put up a poster here. These are the posters of students who already graduated with my advisor. This is my office. It says Transients Group. Cool. I have some apples here. I don't know when I will eat them. So yeah, I generally keep my lunch here. So yeah, now I'm going to start working. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I'll make a video about this office maybe someday. Explain all the things, all the laptops, computers, everything. So yeah, and you can see a nice view of my office. Looks so nice, right? So yeah, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.